Welcome to Geminiano Cozzi Venezia 1765 showroom. I'm Valentina, in charge of business development for this Venetian brand, and I will guide you through the discovery of our most significant collections. Modern collections by Geminiano Cozzi Venezia are developed in fine bone china, the top-of-the-range porcelain, elegant, translucent, chip-resistant and lightweight. These designs feature modern and vibrant decorations which dare to surprise in order to make your table elegant, contemporary and full of vitality. Incanto di Primavera collection, Spring Enchantment, distinguishes itself for the refined design, where stands out a romantic floral decor composed of delicate leaves and flowers that alternate with beautiful birds and butterflies. Especially appreciated by romantic spirits, it's perfectly suitable for a joyful breakfast or a charming afternoon tea, for banquets, spring events, or outdoor lunches. With the choice of two background colors, white and light blue, giving you the possibility to create unique place settings according to the aesthetic needs of the environment or the table to dressing. Each plate has a different decoration, as our brand is always pursuing perfection and uniqueness. This collection is developed on our wide-shaped Florence and composed by numerous measures and decoration options with flat plates, from 15 cm to 33 cm. Various other items and accessories dedicated to afternoon tea, from the sandwich tray to the small lemon or butter 10 cm dish, from the elegant tea warmer to the decorated teapot, from the mug to the delicate teacups with their lids. The collection is completed by a 36 cm oval plate and a 23 cm salad bowl. Behold this design and make it yours. It will fill you with joy and love for your events and, why not, your everyday life.